Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about how to use filter in Redmi 10 phone camera setting, guys. How can you use filters? So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friends, first of all, open your camera setting, camera, and after, guys, you can see this star. So guys, you will have to click here. After that, guys, you can see different type of filters and beauties. So guys, you can see color, black and white. You can see, guys, my box color and this box color, guys. So you can use filter here and you will click here. So I think, friends, you have understood how to use filter in Redmi 10 phone, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. And before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.